Hello everyone, my name is Cleo Johnson. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I want to put together a short, quick tutorial video kind of explaining the 20Five2Life opportunity. It's an automated system that's taking the internet by storm. Tens of thousands of people are joining, and I encourage you to join as well. But this video is going to be strictly a back office. I want to keep it simple and I want to keep it short, but I do want to cover as much as I can to help you make an educated decision. Okay, just tell you a little bit about myself. I've been in the industry of sales and direct sales, network marketing, all for well over 25 years. I chose this route because I'm in control of how I generate money. Since March of 2020, I partnered up with a gentleman by the name of Eric Carton, and we decided to form our own group called Ujamaa. The Ujamaa is from cooperative economics. Many people know it as the industry of gifting. We've done very well. We're responsible for bringing in thousands of people through what we call a system. A system stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. And what that means is we've created scripts and videos to make it easier for people to become a part of the opportunity, which in turn, we've helped a lot of people put money in their pocket. Now, what is cooperative economics? As I mentioned, I don't want to spend too much time on this. I want to get to the point of the 20Five2Life, but it's important for you to understand what 20Five2Life is compared to the manual systems we were building through Ujamaa, to build and maintain our own stores, shops, and other businesses, and to profit from them together. It's simple. We're all working together to generate money to pay our bills, our debts, to be able to save for a college fund, to be able to pay off a student loan, whatever the case may be for each individual. Each person has their own story. Now, the power of automation is with 20Five2Life, we come up with a simple script. Put this script together so that people can be able to have something to share, so you don't have to do a whole lot of explaining. Imagine the less work that you'd have to actually do. So you learning about this opportunity right now probably came from a text, a flyer, or you seen a post somewhere, whether it was in a Telegram group or whatever the case. You received a script with this list showing you the benefits of 20Five2Life. And again, what makes this significant is now it's automation. When it comes to the manual dealing with Telegram or dealing with Instagram or Facebook with these groups, is you got all these people being a part of these groups, but then you have the admins that control the flow of the group, whether it's the way that they create the boards, whether it's the amount of people that's coming in, but you invite 10, 15, 20 of your friends and family, and then you never see them again. You just add them to a group, and then hopefully one day, you'll benefit financially. So some benefit, most don't. So this system is a way for you to be able to recoup back some of the money that some may consider as a loss, or it may have taken as a loss. And although gifting is not an investment, gifting, the power of gifting is being able to give to someone and in return hoping to receive a blessing. Now you're more automated, and automation means you'll be able to track what's actually happening within you and your community. So now you're completely in control. Now this is 20Five2Life, turn $25 to $4,000. One, it's an automated tracking system. Two, you get your own personal affiliate URL link, which means now you can share your link with individuals, and when they sign up, they're actually connected to you. It's a one-time $10 technology fee. The technology fee is the actual system itself, which keeps us legal. Okay, we don't have any products or services to sell, but the system itself, the technology fee, is what gives us the opportunity to work on this particular platform. It's only a one-time $25 to join, or one-time $25 to start, which is the $25 gift that you send once you join. Okay, there's no monthly fees or auto ships like most programs. Spillover is included, but inviting others helps. So depending on the team that you involve yourself in, you can receive spillover, or you can be one that creates spillover. The power is between you and your team working together. Now understand that there are pros and cons to spillover, so don't come in with the mindset of I'm gonna sit back and do nothing. We do want everyone to be able to work together so that you can be able to achieve the success that you want. 4 levels in gifts up to $4,000. And what we do as a team is everyone that comes in, we send them the video with the tutorial videos. We send them their link so that they can be able to refer individuals to be able to join their communities. Okay. Now, when you register, this is the registration form. It says sponsor username. Now, the person's link that you're registering under, that information you don't have to change. If you take that off and put admin, then you're going to go to the company. But if you have a sponsor, someone that you can reach out to, someone that you can communicate with, then that's going to be more beneficial to you. And we're teaching individuals to text the scripts, text the videos that they need so that everyone can be successful. Don't touch the sponsor information. Just put in your first and your last name, your email, your phone number. Create a username. That username can't have dashes or at symbols, anything like that. Put your Cash App information, your PayPal, your Zelle. It's letting you know that there's a $10 technology fee, what we sometimes call an activation fee. Check the terms and conditions, click submit. Once you click submit, the system's going to log you out. This is what you're going to see. Enter your username and password, and remember, create something that you can remember. Don't reach out to your sponsor saying, hey, I don't remember my login. From there, the system is going to put you into what they call your back office. This is your dashboard. Now, this is a dummy account for me that I created so you can see what it looks like for you being a brand new person. It's going to say, alert, please send technology fee. Click here. Everything's automation except the actual gifts that you send. All right. But before we go there, let's scroll down to the different levels. You got 4 levels. Each level has its own start, but you receive 4 times that back. So 25 generates you 100, 75 generates you 300, 275 generates you 1100, 1000 generates you 4000. Come down to where it says view documents, and then you're going to come to this page here that says getting started. So you don't need groups, you don't need conference calls or Zooms. This is all you need to get started. This is 4 easy steps and showing you exactly what you need to do. You get an alert showing you how to pay the technology fee. Once you do that, the system is going to move you along and send you an alert telling you you have to pay your $25 gift. You can send it at 2 in the morning. You can send it at 2 in the afternoon. You don't have to call the person. You don't have to reach out to them. For example, these are the gifts in which I've sent out. You click receiver information. Their information pulls up. Once their information pulls up, you manually go to Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, and you send them their gift. Once you send them their gift, you come back into gift summary, click on sent gifts, and then it's going to say approve that you sent that gift. Once you click approve, the system is going to send them a text saying, congratulations, you've received a gift. Then they got to log in and they have to check their Cash App, their Zelle, their PayPal to see that they received the gift. Once they receive that gift, they log in to their dashboard and then they click confirm. Okay, so that pretty much sums up the tutorial of this. It's really that simple. If you can get good at sharing the same information with others, then you too can be successful in this. Myself and Eric Harden and a few other leaders, we hit the top positions in just a few days. Many people are asking, should you use one link or should you promote your own link? My personal opinion, I think it's wise to use your own link because you'll be in control over who you share this opportunity with. You don't want to be in a position where you're waiting on what someone else does to create your success for you. For example, and I've shared it with 2, Brandon and Mr. Eric Harden, and then those 2 told 2, and then it goes on and on and on. Although the levels are going deep, you also have 4 levels going across. So, for example, 25 gets you 100. You take 75, move to level 2. Then 75 times the 4 gets you 300. And then you take 275 and move to level 3. And then the 275 generates you 1100. You take 1000. That moves you to level 4. And on each level, understand, it's not a big return. You're looking at $25 on the level 1, $25 on level 2, $100 on level 3. But level 4, which is where the jackpot is at, you're looking at $4,000. And this is a recycle. You're able to re-enter in over and over and over, depending on the growth of your community. But the goal is to keep this thing simple and share this opportunity with as many people as possible. If you can share information, then you can do well with this program. So again, that sums up our tutorial. Please get back to the person that invited you to watch this video and register on their join link today. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to you receiving your $4,000 in gifts. Let's go.